So if a yogurt shop has 5 flavors of yogurt and 8 different toppings, and we're going to combine one flavor in 2 toppings, how many different combinations can we make? So here's the representation of the 5 flavors. So there's 5 choices so far. Then for each one of them, say let's just talk about this guy, I can choose 8 different toppings. So now I'm going to have 8 outcomes just for this flavor. So now each one of these other flavors is going to have 8 outcomes. So altogether I'm going to have 8 times 5. And that's just with one topping. Now if I start from one of these outcomes, flavor 1 and topping 1, I'm going to now pick my second topping. I'm going to have 8 more options for each one of those. So each thing at this level gets 8 more branches coming off of it. So what I have is 8 times 8 times 5, which is 320. So one way you can say it is, all right, how many ways are there to choose the first flavor? How many ways are there to choose the first topping? And how many ways are there to choose the second topping? There's 5 ways to choose the first flavor, the flavor. There's 8 ways to choose the second topping, and 8 ways to choose the first topping, and 8 ways to choose the second topping, and then you multiply those out to get 320 options. So here, I'm trying to remember a 3-character password. So there's first character, second character, third character. The first and third characters are numbers from 0 to 9. So these are from 0 to 9. So how many ways are there to choose that? There's 10 ways to choose. There's 10 different options here. 10 different options there. And the second character is a letter, but you can't remember if it's uppercase or lowercase. So if we're counting little a and big A, little b and big B, little z and big Z, how many different options are there? There's 26 letters, so times 2 for each letter. There's a little one and a big one. There's 52 choices for that second one. So if I multiply those out, it's 5,200.